If you are a Sigma lens owner, you need to hear this, because this trick saved me around 700 euros. So recently I've had a problem with my Sigma 18-35 lens and I've had no idea what to do. I've lost entirely the autofocus and also the iris control. So I did not see on the screen and I couldn't adjust it. What the heck, right? I didn't know what to do. I disconnected and reattached the lens around 1,000 times, but it didn't work. So what did I do? As my last hope, I ordered this Sigma USB adapter or whatever from Amazon. So I plugged into my PC, downloaded the Sigma software, attached my lens, and baby, that's it. It automatically updates the lens for me and, well, yeah, save my lens, save the day. I love you, Sigma, and this is for you.